P0011 code diagnosis. When your car has any problem, please connect your car to any scanner. Camshaft intake. Retard setpoint not reached, over advanced. How to fix. Possible symptom. Power loss. Possible causes. Camshaft adjustment valve 1N205 faulty. Fuel pump relay J17 faulty. Mechanical timing not correct, including chain and or belt timing. Possible solutions. Check camshaft adjustment valve 1N205. Check fuel pump relay J17. Applicable for vehicles with J17 only. Check mechanical timing. Special notes. When found in engine 4.0LW8, check TPL2010059 row. Check. Replace all sieve in timing case camshaft adjuster. When found in 2008 and newer VW 2.0T engine with a timing. Chain example. CCTA and CBFA. Please see TT011508 for information about the intake camshaft, adjuster bridge and spool valve. Link in the description. If this video is useful to you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.